What's going on YouTube? My name is Cheno. Kung bago ka din sa channel, ang pangalan ko si Cheno. If you haven't seen last video, we actually skipped a particular island that we're supposed to go on because today we are going to go on a yacht and go island hopping, or to one island. We're hoping the sun comes out. It's a little overcast, pero hopefully kusog ang araw. What's yung araw sa Bisaya? Can't remember. But yeah, we're just gonna walk to the spot and we'll see how it goes. It's fast. All right, hold on for dear life.
This is the yacht.
It's a prank, man. This is the yacht. Kuya tricked us, but it's okay. We're going to Virgin Island anyway.
I'm so excited. Let's go.
Let's get it. You ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah?
Yes.
Let's do it. So we're here.
Oh, dude, it looks so nice.
That looks pretty nice.
Let's go. Like, we're all so excited.
I know, look at that, man. It looks so chill.
Dude.
Man, you can sleep there, bro.
I just love the reaction. I'll let them speak for this video.
Yes.
So we're about to hop on, and it's just us and our crew, kami lang lima. And of course, I think the kuyas and obviously not the pilot, what's that called? The captain. Super excited to hop on. Don't know what to expect, but we're gonna head to Virgin Island. Salamat kayo. Made it. Basta. What's your name, kuya?
I'm Captain Jess.
Captain Jess.
Welcome to Hercules Yacht.
Sparrow.
I'm your captain for this afternoon.
Yay!
Thank you. Let's go.
This is wonderful.
Okay, this afternoon we're going to Virgin Island.
Oh, the sun came out too.
It takes 1 hour going there.
1 hour. Okay.
Oh,
1
okay.
hour.
So
Thank
we
you.
can chill a bit. So the crew hopped on the front of the boat, nami sa tabangan. Naglingkod lang sa mi mag-relax. I think they said 1 hour padulong sa Virgin Island, so more 20-30 minutes already passed by. This is quite an experience, guys. Hey baby.
Yeah, I love
Yeah. So far it's been pretty calming. The boat, sorry. The boat has been such a smooth ride so far, and the kuyas have been very accommodating here at Hercules Yacht. So can't recommend them enough. I mean, maybe this is my first time loving it, but
It's chill, very relaxing.
I
Yeah.
haven't been to Virgin Island, I believe, so it's gonna be super cool to finally get there, because we did decide to skip it for this yacht tour. This is actually the only thing that we're visiting today, Virgin Island, and we're also hoping for the sky to clear up so that we can have a really nice sunset for like our final day here in Bohol. So yeah.
What do you think, Cheno?
So good, man. After the refreshments, really relaxed.
The pineapple juice.
Baby, could we have gone any faster? So done before the start. Chasing happily effort after, but you left your heart. Didn't know what you wanted, but you don't even trust you.
After that solid photo session and video, we're definitely making our way to Virgin Island now. And it's around 4:20. It gets dark around 5:30. So let's go to Virgin Island. Tara na.
But you don't even trust yourself. We were so high up in love, but not enough to bring us back from where we fell. I feel paralyzed looking in your eyes. Wish I could be who you were made for, 'cause you were made perfectly. Words we spoke last night, we can't redefine.
Anyway, I think we're close to Virgin Island. We're definitely driving a little slower. The water is amazing, clear, plenty of seaweeds and probably some sea urchins. So we have made it to Virgin Island. Yeah, but namin din eh. And I think morag dagan kay mga sea urchin ba? So not tuyo man tawag sa Bisaya. Literally right next to our boat.
I know, right there.
Tons right there. Over there. It's okay, Kuya got us. Heaps over there. They're huge. Well, the spikes are huge on them. Oh my gosh. All right, let's make our way and follow the other guys. I'm finally here 5 years later in the most perfect condition possible. Grabe. Guys, ang ganda dito. Nakatagalog na talaga ako.
Freaking SpongeBob.
This is like Survivor Island or something. Look at that. That's amazing.
Survivor Island.
Yeah, that's what I was
Survivor
thinking.
Island? What is that?
Survivor. It's just Survivor.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, I just love how calm this water is. I want to go in, but I don't know if I want to get changed and get soaked, but this is beautiful, guys. Yo, it's so relaxing here. Super calm and chill. Those are the only words that I can describe at this place, so you might have to look at their channels to see if they have any other descriptive words towards this Virgin
Not
Island.
sure you meant for it, but you know we're meant to be. I feel paralyzed, looking in your eyes. Wish I could be who you were made for, 'cause you were made perfectly. Words we spoke last night.
Got RJ over here.
What's up?
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like, because it really does help tiny channels like mine. But anyway guys, there's more to come here in the Philippines and I hope to see you in the next one. Sige, bye bye.